Natural light has a powerful impact on how a home feels. Bright, sun-filled rooms appear more open, welcoming, and comfortable for everyday living. For homeowners in Coppell, bay windows offer an effective way to increase natural light while also enhancing the look and functionality of interior spaces. Their unique design allows sunlight to enter from multiple angles, making them a valuable addition to many homes. Why natural light matters in the home. Homes with limited natural light can feel smaller, darker, and less inviting. Artificial lighting helps, but it can't fully replace the warmth and openness that sunlight provides. In Coppell homes, increasing natural light often transforms how rooms are used. Brighter spaces feel more comfortable, improve visibility, and create a more uplifting atmosphere for daily activities. How bay windows capture light from multiple angles. Unlike flat windows, bay windows extend outward from the home. This angled design allows sunlight to enter from different directions throughout the day. For Coppell homeowners, this means rooms receive consistent light as the sun moves. Morning, midday, and afternoon light all contribute to a brighter interior, reducing shadowed areas and dark corners. Brightening living rooms and common areas. Living rooms and shared spaces benefit the most from added daylight. Bay windows act as natural light collectors, spreading sunlight deeper into the room. In Coppell homes, bay windows often become the main source of daylight in living areas. This makes these spaces feel larger and more inviting without the need for structural changes. Improving light distribution across the room. One of the advantages of bay windows is how evenly they distribute light. Their shape helps reflect sunlight across walls and ceilings. Coppell homeowners notice fewer harsh contrasts between bright and dark areas. The result is a more balanced, comfortable environment that feels naturally lit rather than overly bright in one spot. Enhancing comfort near window areas. Older window designs can create hot spots or glare near seating areas. Bay windows help reduce this issue by spreading light more evenly. In Coppell homes, seating areas near bay windows feel more comfortable. Homeowners can place furniture closer to windows without worrying about intense glare or discomfort. Supporting flexible interior design. More natural light gives homeowners greater freedom in designing interior spaces. Bright rooms can accommodate a wider range of furniture layouts and decor styles. Coppell homeowners appreciate that bay windows allow them to experiment with colors, textures, and furniture placement without making rooms feel heavy or closed in. Creating a connection to the outdoors. Bay windows don't just bring in light, they also connect indoor spaces with the outdoors. Views of greenery, sky, or landscaping enhance the sense of openness. In Coppell homes, this connection adds depth to living spaces, making them feel more expansive and calming. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. With more daylight entering the home, there's less need to rely on artificial lighting during the day. Coppell homeowners often find that rooms with bay windows stay bright longer, reducing the need to turn on lights and enhancing overall comfort. Improving the overall feel of the home. Natural light influences mood and energy levels. Brighter spaces often feel more positive and enjoyable. For Coppell homeowners, bay windows help create interiors that feel fresh, welcoming, and comfortable throughout the day. A bright upgrade for everyday living. Bay windows offer more than visual appeal. They improve how a home feels and functions. For homeowners in Coppell, bay windows increase natural light by capturing sunlight from multiple angles, distributing it evenly, and enhancing connection to the outdoors. The result is a brighter, more comfortable home that feels open, inviting, and enjoyable every day.